It's a 2017 Ford Escape. Get away every time you get into this Escape. Its amazing ability and maximum cargo configurability makes every trip the perfect journey. Features include streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, gas pressurized shocks, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Car and Driver notes, perhaps best of all, the latest Sync 3 infotainment system, which debuted in 2016, offers a vastly more sensible, intuitive, and quick-reacting interface, including a pinch-to-zoom map feature on the 8-inch touchscreen and improved voice recognition. Built on tradition, built to last. Ford. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Call us today at 888-827-2813.
For value.